Hello Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 1st of July. Pisces, it is Canada Day today. Oh, Canada, the land of the maple leaf syrup, and the land of the hockey, in the land of the poutine, in the land of the indigenous people. Shout out to Manitoba. Woo! Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Pisces, let's go. Let's see what's happening for you today. Yeah. Oh, your channel message, my apologies. Your channel message is the 8 of Wands. Secret Society, not enough. Oh, something is not half full. It's half fucking empty. And we have the Temperance. So I'm getting something about you getting a call, or I'm getting something is anonymous. I'm getting a faceless person talking to you. Somebody want to talk to you. They want to talk to you on the phone. This could be something about voice. I'm getting voice. Either it's voice messages being sent to each other, or I'm getting some, maybe that's what it is. It could be somebody wants to talk to you live on the phone, or I'm getting your voice. Somebody want to hear your voice. So I'm getting something about texting and sending a voice. Something like that. You're going to send voice notes. I'm getting voice notes, okay? But I'm getting somebody faceless. You can't see them face, so they want to talk to you. They don't want to meet you. They don't want you to see them face. Or something about they don't want a video call. I'm getting phone, yes, but not yet. I'm getting something about voice notes. Somebody need to get comfortable with you. Secret Society, unless this is somebody taking your voice notes and sending it to other people. Go ahead and go into your reading. Pisces, first card out is a 4 of Wands. Okay, yeah, I'm getting something about your voice. Somebody want to hear your voice. They want to hear you speak. But I'm getting them don't want to hear you speak live. They need time to listen to it, listen to again. Listen, they need time to listen again, listen one more time, listen what you said, and then reply. Somebody might ask you to send voice notes, but they don't reply with their voice, then reply with text. We have the Knight of Wands, yeah. We're getting something about a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. I'm also getting somebody's inviting you over. Them inviting you to them house. Yeah, we have the King of Swords. The King of Swords is somebody them usually on the phone a lot. This King of Swords, they're very good communicators, but if them on the phone, it's for fast things, fast communication. This person usually do better in person. Me getting somebody when you talk to them on the phone, them very sexual. Them talk about sex things, them text about sex things. You see when the person in front of you, them like this. Me getting a man. Me getting when you're not, me don't know if the man are playing a game with you. Me don't know if the man is texting you because he don't want you to lose interest. But me getting when him not with you, and him there in house, when him text you, all type of nasty, freaky argument. Me getting as soon as the man come over your house, the man not talk about no sex, him not talk about no balls argument, him not talk about nothing, him not talk about President Trump. He's talking about what can the United Nations do to stop world hunger. That's what I'm talking about. But when him texting you, I'm getting a beer. I'm getting him don't send pictures. I don't know if I'm asking you for pictures. I'm getting him don't send pictures. I'm getting beer freaky things on the phone, beer freaky text. But when I'm in front of you, you're not saying nothing like that. So perhaps somebody is doing it because they need a reply to give to somebody. Or they might do it because they feel like when they're not with you, you might be bored. And maybe them believe that being bored means you're gonna entertain another person, you're gonna have sex with somebody else. So them try to keep that spark by doing that. I don't know. me getting a can't match the face to the horniness. Like I can't video call somebody and them a talk that way. Them not gonna talk that way and show them face. It have to be through text or maybe voice. If them in front of you, them not gonna talk nothing about that. The Four of Wands is clarified by the King of Pentacles. You're getting a business person, very, very mature man. Knight of Wands is clarified by the Seven of Swords. Wait, the King of Swords is clarified by the Two of Cups and the... Okay, me getting something about... I don't know if you have one employee. Okay, me getting you had a girl who you there talk to and somebody going on your phone, go get the number. Me getting you date this girl. Me getting this fire sign, somebody hack you. Me getting the fire sign going on your phone and me don't know. Me getting a girl and you ask him, you have her number and him say yeah. Me getting when him phone put down, you go in the number and take her, you go in his phone and you took her number. Or some boy you hack him phone and get her number. Come me getting you want to tell her something, so you gonna steal something. But that's the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Me getting you intercept a relationship that this Gemini, Libra, Aquarius man have. But me getting if majority of the communication is on the phone, you can intercept it. If the communication is in person, me getting you can't do nothing about it. Me getting the only way you can sabotage something for somebody, it have to be by phone lines. As in somebody not get the text, you're sending a text out and it's not from the person for cause confusion about the conversation. Me getting if you communicate with phones, calling, texting, apps, it can get intercept. Me getting somebody to reach out to somebody and give them some information or bribe them or tell them something. Me getting if both of them is in person. Me basically getting, you see anything when I don't want to do it in person. When you can text where you're going to meet, when you can text information to each other, when you cannot have conversations. If you don't have conversations, it's going to get fucked up. You can't be apologizing or say, hey, we need to talk about a situation. You cannot do it on a phone. We're getting something about the phone. The phone line is intercepted. It has to be in person. So you might can say, hey, let's meet here on whatever day. You meet there, everything when I do, make sure you do it and discuss it there. As a matter of fact, when you leave each other, don't even text, I had a good time. Don't even talk about that. Me getting the phone is for communication only. And you're supposed to tell out your life secrets and your deep dark, whatever. It's for meeting, it's for exchange information quickly. You meet up, and then when you meet up, then the phones get put away. Then you get to talk about what you need to talk about. Something like that. But me getting you going to somebody's phone and see the number and you take the number. And someone me want our number. Again, we have the faceless, something about the Sagittarius. Somebody faceless. Maybe somebody ain't seen you and you're trying to create this bond with them by being on the phone with them. And you're not on a video call, so them can't even see your face. But I don't know what to tell you. In this day and age, this is Uranus. We have sleep. We have Illuminati and Libra. We have Leo. And we also have Taurus. I don't know what this is, and right now I don't really care to know. But what I want you to know is that celebrate Canada in style. Today's Canada Day. Show your support for Canadians, and as Donald Trump and other countries raise the tariffs, make sure you shop locally for Canadians, by Canadians. Make sure you help out and patronize small businesses such as food, farm, mystery, farm. Can you say that? Can you just say farm mystery, or do I say farm? Farm. Make sure you support the local Canadian farmers and potatoes that are grown in Canada. And as the tariffs grow, so should our economy. Okay? So I understand that you come from your immigrant countries, coming here, cooking your immigrant dishes here. It's time for you to understand what it is to cook Canadian. So I hope this day is not only a day of bursting fireworks and just putting on a shirt and saying how much you want to say at the end of each sentence. I want you to know that as we move forward, we are planning for this country to be one of the best countries to live, work, play, and do business. I stole that from Jamaica. And I want people to know that as our economy grows, and again, as the tariff increases, we're going to increase our prices too. Especially the subscription for Pornhub. We're going to be increasing that because these fuckers are not going to get away with importation fees, but they want to watch people online. Doom, doom. So as we end today, we just tell the Canadian people, remember whose country this really is. It's the natives. Ow! As we exit today, we're just asking the people, please remember, we will always put Canadians first. This is sponsored by Canadian Tire. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Goodbye.